What's the meaning of aperçu? Aperçu. Aperçu. Aperçu.
Aperçu. Aperçu. The word aperçu is a French term that translates to overview or insight in English. It refers to a brief, but comprehensive understanding of a subject or concept. An aperçu may encompass a broad range of information or a narrow focus on specific details, but the key feature is the ability to provide an accurate and concise representation of the topic. Overall, an aperçu is a useful tool for gaining a quick understanding of a subject, providing valuable insights that can help inform decision-making, or guide further exploration.